Creamy yummy pasta. Today, I will be teaching you how to make creamy yummy pasta. So let's get started. As you can see from the video, I have my cream, my pasta, my leaf, my chicken. That's a breast chicken, and all that. So first of all, you have to put water boiling on the fire. So you slice your chicken, just cut it into pieces anyhow you want. As you can see on the video how I'm cutting it. So you cut it. Then while the water is boiling for the pasta because you have to steam it first. You understand? So now I'm done cutting my chicken, my breast chicken. This is it. Then I added Maggi, just 1 cube of Maggi. So I'm using what is this Maggi called? Maggi chicken, yeah, no chicken. So I added my curry. Then I added black pepper. This is black pepper. Then I added my oregano. Yeah, so this oregano is optional. Then I added my soya sauce. Yeah, with this soya sauce you don't need much ingredients because all the taste you want is in this soya sauce. It's actually nice. Then I added salt for a taste. Then I mixed it up together. I mixed it well. I make sure it's well incorporated, you know. So you have to mix it like this, then set it aside so that the whole ingredients can incorporate in the chicken. So I set it aside. Now my water has boiled. I added salt. To it. It's important you add salt to your water before putting on spaghetti or any pasta of your choice. So I added my pasta. This macaroni. Yeah. So now I check. It's still cooking. At this point it's all cooked. Then I put it out. I put the pot on the fire again. I put my oil, my vegetable oil. So this is sunflower oil. Then I added my onion. I stir it to it well fried to my satisfaction. I stirred and stirred till I got the consistency I needed, the fry I needed. So then I added my chicken. Yeah. So you just have to add your chicken to fry boil. I can't say it like that. Yeah, so to cook. So I stirred it very well. I stirred and stirred and stirred. Yeah, to make sure the oil touched every part of the chicken. Then I opened it again and checked. Turned it very well so that it doesn't get burnt. Then at this point, my chicken is well cooked. Then I added my full cream. This is full cream, cooking cream. Yeah. So this is my pepper mix. This is pepper and onion blended together. Then I added it. I stirred it very well. I stirred. Then I added a cube of no. This is not no. This is I don't know the meaning of this Maggi or something. Chicken stuff. Then I added my curry. Then this is porcelain. Porcelain is also good. It gives it a nice flavor. If you have watched my video to this extent, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a passion to upload cooking on YouTube. This is my first trial, and I promise to serve you all better. Forgive my non-inadequate speech. I'm just starting. Then I added the soya sauce again, then added a little salt for a taste. I didn't add much salt to this because the pasta already has salt, so you have to be mindful of the salt. Then I tested it. It's all okay at this point. Everything has cooked. I covered it up to cook very well. As you can see, it's giving all yummy. So this time for me to add my pasta, my macaroni. Then I added it. It is really much. Then I turned it very well. I stirred it. I stirred and stirred. I stirred. At this point, I got to change my stirring spoon to use this one. This particular spoon is perfectly for pastas, indomie, macaroni, spaghetti, anything. It's perfect for it. Yeah. So I continue stirring. Look at the yummy pasta. It's giving yummy, yummy. Then I added my leaf. This is pastelin leaf. It gives it a nice flavor and it makes the face of the cook look so sweet and attractive to eat. Then I stirred it very well and covered. Yeah, at this point my food is ready. This is yummy creamy pasta ready to eat. So you see, it's looking so delicious. So if you have watched to this part again,